In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in QuickBooks. This quick walkthrough will help you update the password for your Intuit account, the same sign-in you use for QuickBooks Online and other Intuit services. Updating it periodically is a simple way to strengthen your security, especially if you've used a shared device or noticed anything unusual with your login. Start by going to the top of your QuickBooks screen and clicking the round profile icon with your initial, the T icon shown in the interface. You'll find it in the top right corner. That opens a small menu with account options, giving you direct access to the tools you need. From there, choose Manage Your Intuit Account. This takes you to the Intuit Account Manager, often in a new browser tab. Here, everything related to your identity and security lives in one place, so you can make changes efficiently without hunting through multiple settings pages. Once the Account Manager loads, select Password. You'll land on the Password Update page. Before typing, take a moment to review any password requirements shown on screen. These guidelines ensure your new password is strong and accepted on the first try. A great method is to use a bold, memorable passphrase, several unrelated words with a few numbers or symbols mixed in. Steer clear of anything easy to guess, and don't reuse a password from another website. In the new password field, carefully enter the password you want to use going forward. Type it deliberately and double check for accidental capitalization. If there's a temporary show password option, use it briefly to verify what you typed, then hide it again to keep it private. Next, in the confirm new password field, re-enter that same password exactly. This confirmation step catches typos, so you don't save something you didn't intend. If there's any mismatch, the page will let you know so you can fix it before moving on. When both entries match and meet the requirements, click Save. The system will process your change and display a confirmation that your password was updated. That message means your new password is now active for QuickBooks Online and any other Intuit products tied to this account. The next time you sign in, use the new password you just set, and that's all there is to it. For good hygiene, store your updated password in a reputable password manager and keep it unique to your Intuit account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any section if you need a quick refresher the next time you update your password.